Hey Gary,
Hi.
what are you doing?
I'm trying to get a strawberry.
You're trying to get a strawberry.
I got it anyway.
Oh, so what did you do? Got the chair
Yeah?
and you climbed into the refrigerator? And now you're, yes.
In there.
Oh, excuse me?
In there.
And what are you doing in there?
I'm gonna
Bye.
get more strawberries.
Bye. All right, bye. What?
Can I break this up?
Can you put the strawberry back? We're gonna have dinner.
I want.
Can you get out of the refrigerator? Literally? Out of the refrigerator? Yeah. How are you gonna get out? This I wanna see. Yeah? No. You're a mess. Yeah. How's that strawberry? Is that good?
Mm-hmm.
All right, can you get down now?